Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy lunchbox lunches for your kids. Back to school is here and my little girl is going back to school I think next week. So I want to show you guys some easy 3 lunches that you can pack for your kids that's easy, affordable, and fast. Now before we jump into the 3 lunches, I want to share with you guys some easy storage for your kids' lunches besides just using Ziploc bags, which are really wasteful and costly. So the first thing I'm going to show you, which is the most affordable, is these cute little lunchbox things that you can get from Target or Walmart. And this is just a sandwich container that comes with a lid. And this was literally $1 at Target, and they also had a cute little one that you can put fruit and chips or snacks in. So you can get like maybe 3 or 4 of these and maybe another one of these, just to kind of put different things in. You don't have to just put sandwiches in here, so you can also put other stuff in this, guys. So this is just an easy, affordable thing that you can pick up from Target or Walmart. The next thing is the most obvious, which is Ziploc. Ziploc has a ton of containers that you can use for your kids' lunches. I have this one, which is one of my favorite because it has compartments in there, so you can put a sandwich, some fruit, and some dipping sauce or anything you want to in there. And if you decide that maybe you want your dipping sauce separate from all the rest of your food, they do have these cute small little Ziploc containers that you can also purchase separately to add on with the lunch. The last one, which is absolutely my favorite, and I'm so happy I came across this, is this little, I guess, bento lunchbox from IKEA. I found this at IKEA and it was only $4.99, and I think this is by far my most favorite one out of all of the lunch things I do have in my kitchen, because it has these 3 separate compartments and they are all different sizes. The smallest one comes with this little lid that you can place right on top, and you can also put little dipping sauces in here. But if you decide that no, you want to pack your child like maybe a rice bowl or something and you don't need these, you can definitely take all 3 of these guys out and just use the bowl. And or if you want to have like some rice on the side with some vegetables or chicken, but then you want to add some fruit in there, you don't want to set a container, you can just add the one and then keep the rest out and put your food in there. And the lid is super easy to use. You just put it down and press the sides. Super easy. So this is by far my most favorite, and it does fit inside of a lunch kit, so you don't have to worry that it's too big or too thick or anything like that. Those are my 3 little lunchbox tips or containers that you can use for your children's lunch this year. So let's go ahead and get into this lunchbox video. Okay guys, so the first meal is the Bagel PB J Sandwich. I was trying to do something different with the peanut butter and jelly sandwich because we always do just wheat bread, but I want to try the bagel method and Zoe really likes it. So I'm just taking a basic plain bagel and putting jelly on one side like you would do a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and doing peanut butter on the other side. And with this you can always do like crunchy peanut butter or a different type of nut butter, almond butter, or something that you like, especially if you're vegan. Then you're going to take that sandwich and you're going to go ahead and cut it in a half. So here's my container, and I'm going to add my little tray back in. And I was trying to fit 2 pieces, but then I remember it's for Zoe and she's only going to eat half of it anyways. So now I'm just going to add some fresh strawberries in there just so she can have some fruit. And then I'm going to add some whole wheat goldfish. These are really healthy and she loves them as well. And I'm just going to pop the lid on, and as you can see, it fits right into her lunch kit, adding applesauce, a little snack, and these are chocolate covered pretzels, and a juice pouch. So the next one is hummus and flatbread with a little extra leftover. So you're going to take some flatbread. You can use the other bread that people use with hummus, but I like this one because it's flat. And you're going to take the hummus, cut a chunk off, and then you're going to cut that into squares, and then cut their squares into triangles or whatever shape you feel. This was just easier to fit in the container. Then you're going to take a cucumber and you're going to cut it as thin as possible. If you have a slicer, that's awesome. I don't have a slicer, so I had to cut as thin as possible with a really sharp knife. Put those to the side, and next I'm going to take out some leftover sauteed chicken that we had like a chicken bowl with, and Zoe really liked the chicken, so I'm going to take this little piece and I'm going to go ahead and dice it up. You can use whatever you have on hand. I'm using this leftover chicken, and it's still cold, so it's fine because it's fully cooked. So taking our container, we're going to use all 3 compartments, and I'm going to take some store-bought hummus. This is the plain kind. There's no added like the spicy one or the olive one. She just likes the plain garlic one. So I'm going to add the chicken in its own compartment. Then I was trying to figure out how to rearrange this, so I added the bread with the chicken, then some blueberries for some fresh fruit, and of course our cucumbers on the side where the hummus, so you can dip the cucumbers in the hummus. So there you have it. Go ahead and plop that lid back on, and it fits nicely once again in the lunch kit. I'm going to add a juice pouch, and I'm going to add these cute little chocolate cookies for. So the last one is a DIY Lunchable, because Lunchables are super expensive compared to when I was little, and Zoe loves Lunchables. So to save a few bucks, I decided to go ahead and make our own. So I'm taking some turkey deli meat, then I'm going to take some cheese, and I'm going to do slices and then cube both of them. So you can just do it however your preference. This cheese was a little sticky, so just be careful. Add some butter, Ritz crackers or some butter crackers, and now I'm going to assemble, adding the crackers in its own compartment, then the meat and the cheese together. Lastly, I'm going to add some baby carrots in for obviously some fresh vegetables. And then lastly, I'm going to fit a nice little gummy snack with the crackers. Pop the lid on and fit it into the lunch kit with a little yogurt and its juice pouch. And there you have it. Okay guys, so I hope you guys love those 3 lunches, and they are super easy and affordable. Most, if not all, of that food that you guys saw was from Aldi, and Aldi has a lot of good snacks for really good prices. Everything at Aldi is priced well and affordable, and I love that you can bring your own bag, so you're also saving the planet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, you guys are already here, so don't forget to click down below and subscribe, and click that notification bell to get a notification when I post a new video, and check out some of my latest videos like this one you see here.